Spent a little time with the birds today. Oh, it was like 20 degrees out. Cold. Still gotta keep them clean and fed. The best thing I figure out through the colder weather is pack them with food, man. Corn is the best heating system for them. I feed them in the morning, feed them in the afternoon. The fan shut off in about half hour, so I don't keep it on 24/7. Once the light goes off, the fan goes off. The light goes on, the fan goes on. I have it set on a timer. Pretty much when they're flopping around and raising the dust, that's when the fan kicks on and lights is on. But here they go. I've been out here for like 2 hours cleaning them up, feeding them. Hey, I gotta feel the cold. They feel the cold, I gotta feel the cold too, right? But they're pretty much cozy in here. Nice and cozy. Dry floors is a plus. Always keep them floors dry. I did a good job with the insulation, somewhat insulated. I used a little bit of caulking. Hey, mister, where you going? You trying to go outside? See, it's dark. See? Dark out here. Where you trying to go? Let's we'll call him Robert. What's a hen? We call her Robert. But so far so good. The boxes are still closed. Maybe a couple of weeks we're gonna start opening them up. I got my pine needles and my nesting pads and my bowls. I still gotta put up in there. Just want to touch base and with all my pigeon fanciers. See how everybody's doing today. How everybody's taking care of the birds in the wintertime, these cold days, cold nights. So far, so good. Everybody's good. Where you trying to go, Robert? It's dark out here. We raised this guy here when he was 3 days old, 3 or 4 days old, by hand, so he's a little tame. He'll walk up to you and look for candy. She loved the candy. Anyways, guys, happy holidays. Happy New Year's, all that good stuff coming up. Be safe. Keep birds healthy and happy. Healthy birds are happy bird. Peace and love to all.